everyone, we are here right now in Singapore and we're going to a restaurant, Wild Coco. And don't you know that they have the best laksa in town? You know, when I search in Google, it's 4.7. That's the rating that they have. And of course, we'll be able to taste the best laksa in the world, only here in Singapore. But you know, majority of the laksa, they're going through soup. But this time, it's a dry laksa. So the first time with my friends, we'll be able to taste a dry laksa like this. So, wait. I'll try to do it first. And the taste is... Wait, what's my name again? I forgot my name. But anyway, it's very delicious. I like it. You're gonna visit Wild Coco only here at Hamilton, Singapore, and taste a laksa like this. Remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. Bye! See you!